March without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow.
Good morning! Good morning, Holly! Anong oras na ba? Punta ko ng toilet dun sa shed. Si Sak, pumunta na yun dito, nagbihis. 9:18. 9:18 si Jan nag-fishing, wala pa siya. Everyone's awake, okay. I'm gonna check them. Okay, find shorts there. Tingnan natin yung mga borders natin. Good morning! Where's Kuya? Yani. Good morning, girls. Still sleep? How's your sleep? Good? Was it noisy?
No, not really. He was good.
Okay.
Coming in here.
Kobe?
Yeah.
Why?
No, he was coming in here like early at night though, not like. We stayed up until like 1:45. Whoa.
Yeah, I can hear because I went to...
No.
Yeah.
No. I said your name like you
Do you want toast? Toast for breakfast, girls? Toast? Anyone? No, I don't have cash. No, that's Holly's money. You wait for... No. Why? Where are you going? It's a bit cold. Do you want toast, kids?
No, thanks.
No, what do you want for breakfast? You don't want breakfast? You don't want breakfast kasi busy ang kanilang... Yes, you did yesterday. Toast. You didn't? You had? Yeah. Alright.
Can I see you guys real quick?
I hope it's not gonna rain. I'm going home.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Are you coming? You're gonna get more clothes.
I'm saying
Yeah. Okay, no one's hungry because I'm going home. Is Kobe here?
he's left.
Oh, he left. Who's here?
Jasmine Cody's gone.
Your mom is here?
Nah.
Working?
Nah.
Adelaide?
She's gone to Adelaide this morning with herself.
Did you say you ate all night? What time did you go to bed? 1.
1:45.
See? 1:30 in the morning. Kaya na talaga. Hindi na sila gutom kasi ang dami nilang kinain na snacks. Alright, are you coming with me, Zach? Not yet. How about Taj? You wanna come home?
No, stay a bit longer.
You stay a bit longer?
Yeah,
Because Zach is coming with me.
yeah.
You're alright? You're gonna... Alright. So, you're coming with me now, Zach? Okay. I'm just gonna go toilet. You got money?
Yeah. I'm gonna have to tie my hair.
Okay, I'm gonna tie your hair. Ayaw niya sumama sa bahay kasi gusto niya mag-ride with the boys and girls.
I think,
Sophie and Mother are going?
yeah.
Okay.
I think we're going to...
Ang galing niya mag-tie ng ng shoelace, oh. Show it to them, Baba. Dino-double niya pa yan, oh. Tingnan niyo, ha. Iba siya, iba rin yung niya, pagtali ng niya, shoelace. Oh, diba? Oh, parang ang complicated, hindi ko yan kaya. Who taught you that, Baba?
Dad
Dad
and Kuya Zach.
and Kuya Sag. Oh. Well done, baby. You're not gonna be cold? Maybe you should wear a t-shirt, my love. Oh, this is alright. You sure you're gonna be warm? Okay, let's tie your hair. Where's your brush? So I can tie it properly. You give that to Kuya TJ so he can hold your money. Because he has a backpack. You know what? Why don't you bring juice? So you're not gonna buy fruit box. Just
I don't
buy...
really get thirsty.
You just... So you can save your so you can save your money for drinks and you can buy some like snacks for that money. You think so? Sasama sa akin si Sak.
Mom, you don't really have to do it slip back because when
Yeah,
there's
yeah,
Velcro
yeah.
at the back, and it gets stuck to my hair and it goes all fluffy.
Be careful up. Where's your helmet?
It's
Okay, get your helmet so I can put your helmet in.
see, it has like a GoPro at the back and
Where is
I lost it.
Where is it?
I don't know, but I lost it.
Oh no. That's a support too, Baba. Be careful when you put this here on, okay? Not to get on your skin. I think we need to tighten it up, Baba. It's a bit.
I didn't just ride to the skate park by myself. Dad was following me when I was riding
When?
to the skate park yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
And maybe you will see Dad there.
Yeah.
And Dad is finished fishing. Is it a bit tight? No, it's better. Make sure you put your thumb like this. Like this. Okay? Show me. I'll show you. I'll teach you how. Okay. Okay. Cool. Yeah, that one. Yes, okay? You don't have pocket there, my love, inside? Okay, give this to Kuya TJ.
Okay, bye guys.
Not gonna be cold. Kasi malamig. Okay. Be careful, okay? Mommy gonna clean the house. Love you.
Love you too.
On your bag? Your backpack? Ah, okay. On your phone. Okay. Okay, thank you. Oh, you got lots of money.
I'm not gonna use it all.
So why are you asking me? Huh?
She can have her own.
Yeah.
This is my money.
You have to share your money. I know, but you have to share to your sister. Oh, you're packing now, Taj. Are you leaving tonight? May aalis na tayong border na isa. No, you're leaving us? You're not gonna stay one more night? Did I put it right? Yeah. Right? Did I or no? Is it right, Kuya? Is it right, the helmet?
Yeah.
Tingnan niyo yung kanilang kalat dito. Ang linis dito, di ba? Naglinis ako after ko maghugas. But look. See Yaya.
Hi, Kobe.
Are you staying here, Cobes? Yeah. Okay, you take care of the kids. I'm going back home to do some cleaning, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you. But they're going to the skate park.
Oh,
So, yeah, it's alright.
Yeah,
So-
Maddie or Sophie.
That's right, yeah.
If anything happens.
Yeah, I hope nothing happens.
Nothing will happen. She'll be right.
Baba, be careful, huh? I don't want you to do that thing in the...
No, I never filmed that.
No, baby, don't go on the ramp, no. No,
I enjoy the boys one.
no. You be careful. Oh, sabi ni Kuya, it's okay lang. Be careful, Baba, ha? Siya ang mamamahala sa mga bata. Nalagyan niya yung uni nila. Si Holly, naka-backpack. Naglinis ako doon sa karanting namin yung katat ni Holly din. Oops. Kuya, why Holly is bringing your backpack? No.
What? What?
Because.
School.
Huh?
No, she's at school again.
Huh? What's that? Ikaw na talaga. Kuya should be bringing this, Holly.
I'm gonna stay.
Alright, so where's the girls? I think they're having a shower. Maria, I think the
Oh,
girl?
Holly, you're waiting on them.
No, you can go with Kuya. So Kuya,
She can wait for them.
why?
Maddie and Sophie can make up them.
Kuya, you're in charge with her. No, you're in charge with her. You wait for the girls. That's right. The skate park's not gonna go anywhere, okay? See you, Baba. Love you. Be careful, okay? Huh? I'll ring Dad that you're going with the boy. Alis na kami ni Sak. Bye, Baba! Be careful, okay? Dito na kayo ni Sak sabay. Sabi ko, huwag mo na siya pupunta doon sa kanyang room kasi gusto kong i-film ang reaction niya kasi inayos ko, di ba? Well, nilinis ko. Yun naman talaga yung ayos no, nilinis ko lang.
Nice.
Nice? Like it?
Yeah.
And sit down here. What?
Why is it?
Why what?
Did you put?
I put the two little, you know, meron akong dalawang maliit na ano, na parang beanbag din. Kaso itatapon ko na sana.
Did you put toys in there?
Yeah, I put it there. Instead throwing it, because all the foam is coming out. So I'm about to throw it. And then I saw your beanbag is a bit flimsy or not much in there. So nilagay ko na lang dito. Sa loob. No. It's clean. See? Tingnan kasi yung mga wrappers ng chocolates, dyan nila nilalagay. Si Holly ang sinasabi niya. Si Holly raw. Anna, you like it? Ano sasabihin mo sa mama mo?
Oh, thank you. Oh, I have my mini hoop right here.
Yeah, no, not now. Just for now. Put it, yeah, for looks. Yung nipper ko nandito. Ayan, diba, Sak?
Yeah, I was saying, what are we going to do with this?
This one. Gusto niya na itong tanggalin. Sabi ko,
And this.
no, that's my clothes. I know. Gusto niya na talaga itong gawin na kanya. Right?
Keyboard and mouse.
Ha?
Still got my keyboard and mouse coming.
Keyboard?
My keyboard and mouse.
Did you order it?
Yeah, it's coming on the 29th. That's in 2 days.
May akala ko tinitingnan niya lang. Did Daddy order it for you? Keyboard, guys. So talagang feeling niya talaga gamer siya.
But look.
Yeah, same as mine. Can you get that little toy there, Sak?
What?
Little toy there, oh, near your shoes. There. That's Holly. Sige, tatapon niya na naman kung saan. Nice? Come
I
on.
will, I promise. I promise.
You told me you're gonna help me.
I am. I will.
You're not.
There, look.
What? What's going on there? Huh?
I'm gonna add Kobe.
Ay, no. Sabi sa amin siya kasi tulungan niya raw ako dito. So, ito pala yung bed ni Kuya. Tinanggal ko dito sa frame. Yes! Yeah, that's the one. The new one. Yeah. From Bali. Bago yan. Sa Bali yan. And siya yung nagsasampay. Hindi pa yun nasuot. Nalabhan na. So, yan. Magba-vacuum ako dito. Yung mga alikabok. Habang ang Saki boy ko sinasampay yung mga nilabhan ko. Tapos ko na siyang i-vacuum. Time out muna ako dun sa kwarto ni Kuya. Magpapakulo ako ng patatas kasi gagawa ko ng shepherd's pie. Beef pala to. Cottage pie ang gagawin ko. Dinifrost ko lang yung beef sa microwave. Nagluto rin pa akong spring rolls para snack ni Sak. Yung lunch niya pala, eto, mocha dog. Nagpabili siya kay daddy niya kasi dumating dito siyang kanina, naligo. And ayan yung chips, hindi niya nga naubos. Pero, yeah, baka gusto niya mamaya. May snack siya. Sobrang kumukulo na yung ating patata. Ito yung ating beef. Ayan, kinakain niya na yung spring rolls.
Where are the paper back?
Later.
Why later?
Kasi I'm cooking. Gusto niya nang bumalik doon. Naboboard na siya. So, ayan. Sinusutay ko na yung beef, carrots. Wala akong celery. So, wala siyang celery. Dapat may celery. Pero kayo, depende sa inyo. Wala lang akong available ngayon na celery. Nilagyan ko na ng butter. Maglalagay na lang ako ng milk mamaya. Ayan, luto na yung beef. And yung ating mash. Na-mash ko na rin. Yung patata. Ayan siya. So, i-assemble ko lang siya. Then, i-oven. So, ayan na yung beef. Ilalagay ko na sa ibabaw yung mashed potato. So, So, ayan na yung ating cottage pie. Ibibake ko na siya until na mag-golden brown yung ibabaw niya. Kung gusto nyong gawin din to, nasa Chona's Kitchen na ang ano nito guys, yung recipe niya. Kung gusto nyo lang naman. Ayan, si Sak nagsasampay ulit. Natuyo na yung unang batch. So, ayan yung second batch na mga damit. Time check is 5:10 na guys. And ito yung ating cottage pie. Tingnan nyo yung aking tupi. And from yesterday na linabahan. Tapos ngayon, ayan yung bedsheet dun sa kwarto ng mga bata. Nalinabahan din. Yan yung sa kwarto ng boys ni Kuya. So, yan ang aking mga tupi. And so, yung kay Kuya, tapos ko nang i-vacuum. Ito yung kay Sak na dati niyang bed. But si Holly na ang gagamit. Ayan, na-vacuum ko na yan. Bukas ko ito matatapos. Kasi nag-declutter din ako mga damit nila pala. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Nalagay ko na yung cover. Yeah, tumutunog na yung oven. Love you. Thank you for helping mommy. May dahil siya mga damit. So, nabawasan yung aking tutupiin. Kasi dala-dala na si Sak dito. Tinupi niya yung mga damit niya. Kasi kailangan niya. Ay, may aalis ng friend. Si Cade. Ayan, susundin na ng papa niya. Hi! So, mamaya ko na ilabas yung ating cottage pie. So, si Taj wala na rin dito. What's that?
That's what I did today.
What's this? Burger? You got fish? What kind? Whiting. Where is it? Oh, binalig niya. Okay, I'm gonna get the... Hello. Alright.
I went fishing too.
You did.
I just opened.
Very hot. Where are we gonna put this? Here? Babe, here? John. Mom, is it alright here? It's really hot. Ito pala yung ating cottage pie. Ayan si kay Kuya.
Oh, whose is that?
You can have that. Chips.
What's that?
The spring rolls meat. Wash your hands now, girls. Okay, here.
Not all of it.
Yeah, you can bring it there. Burger si Sak. Kay Maddie, eto. Let me know when, okay?
Yep.
Is it enough? You can
Yeah.
always come back, okay?
That's fine.
Matt, I got your fork.
Wait, I'm gonna get this one. We have sliced bread
My
there.
turn.
Okay.
I can always come back if I want more.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Thanks.
Okay. Where's Daddy's plate?
Oh, it's probably nothing.
Oh, it's not set yet. Can you remove your plate, please, so I can see?
To find out just what makes this area wonderful. So
Where's Kobe and...
this is my first time.
So, you should call Kobe and... Who's that? Okay. Here, no.
It's the first one of its
Have you hot?
So I don't even know if we are.
How about Kobe and the Jazz? Can you call them, please?
Yeah? It's shepherd's pie.
Cottage
Cottage pie,
pie,
yeah.
because it's beef. More here? You're
I'll
right.
look at-
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Jazz.
There's a lovely living area there. There's fireplaces.
There's more mashed potato there if you want.
Kitchen. It's every kind of modern
That one. Wait.
You make it feel like coffee.
You want this little piece here? That's the best. Okay. There's more mashed potato because I didn't put much. Oh, it's yeah, that one. There's another one. Yeah. It's okay. Alright. Akala ko kukulangin yung ating shepherd cottage pie. Tapos na sila. Almost done. Mauubos na yung ano dun. Oh my God. Car crash. Sinisimot ni Kobe, ah. Ang natira, ubusin na lang ni Jan. Kasi, oh.
Just after 10:30 this morning when this tragic crash occurred. Cars were traveling coming north along the highway when something went horribly wrong. Make the crash investigation.
Si Sak kumain. Si Kuyang hindi. Si Kuya lang hindi kumain.
Cars in the lead up to this tragedy.
The rest kumain. Ako din hindi kumain.
Since the accident occurred, but the
Diba? Simot sarap.
very soon. Meanwhile, closer to the city, police were another serious crash where a car collided with a motorcycle at Waterloo.
Han. Tapos na silang kumain. Alam na maghuhugas na ako. Maghuhugas na ako. Parang hindi naman talaga ako naka-holiday. Yung aking pamilya lang. After nito, balik ako ng bahay. Magtupi ako. We'll see. Naglalaro na sila ng cricket. Ayan, hugas na. Si Jan matutulog yan ng maaga kasi pagod din si Jan. Pagod din si Jan. Nakauwi siya, ano na, tanghali na. Umalis siya 3:30. Tapos, mga, 1 o'clock ata siya dumating. Maya, hugas time. Ibabad ko na yung pinag-bakean natin ang cottage pie. At least naubos. Masaya ako dahil, ayan, ubos talaga. Ayan, hugasan na natin to. Dadaling ko sa bahay. And si Jan andoon. May kinukuha siya na gagamitin niya para bukas sa fishing. Ayan siya. And nagda-dry. Ayan. Dinadry ko na lang. Ayan, bumaba na siya. Nalagyan siguro yan ng bait. What's that for? Bait? Okay, tapos na ako dito maghugas. And na-dry na natin siya. Dito sila. Oh. Cricket ulit. Inside. Ayan yung mga kinuha ni sa table. Ayan. Bahay na ulit ako, guys. Ang oras is 6:38. Si Jan matutulog na yun. Maaga raw siya matutulog kasi maaga siya alis bukas. Kasi ayaw yung maabutan ng yung malakas na wind. And sabi ko, okay. Sabi ko, balik ako dito kasi madami pa akong gagawin yung aking matupiin. Oh, wala naman kasi akong gagawin doon. Mga bata naglalarong cricket. So, magtupi na lang ako dito, di ba? Tapos na pala ako maglinis dito sa kwarto ni Kuya. And nalagyan ko na ng cover yung mga bed. And yung kay Kuya, ang tagal na nito kay Kuya, yung Pirates. Simula nung nagkaroon ng bed si Kuya na sarili niya, ayan, yan yung kanyang bed nung baby or batang-bata pa siya. Usually, ang gusto ni Kuya ipalagay dito talaga ay yung Bombers or yung Acidon na pang-cover dito. Pero sabi ko, tapos na yung yung footy season, Kuya. So, minsan, ito yung nilalagay ko. Ito. Pirate din to, guys. Kasi, syempre, may boat kasi to. Symbolize ng fishing ni Johnny Boy. Ayan. So, may boat yan. Malaki din ng boat nito, eh. Ayan. Basta, mayroon din siyang boat. So, pero ito yung nilagay ko ngayon. And then, kay Sak. Dapat ito yung kay Sak, diba? Kasi si Sak, naglipat na siya ng kwarto kasi nga ginawa niyang gaming room yung kwarto ni Holly. So si Holly wala pa talaga siyang sariling bed or bedding. So ito muna sa kanya. Ayaw niya nga yung tawag niya yung robot. Pero sabi ko, Papa, hindi mo naman yung makikita kasi matutulog ka lang naman. So ang ginawa ko, hindi ko nilagay yung Pirate na pillowcase. Ang linagay ko yung peach color and andyan yung mga kaibigan niya, friends niya. And ito yung side table ni Holly. Dati yung white ang nandito, yung may drawers na nandun na sa gaming room kuno ni Sak. So ito yung mga friends ni Holly dito. Nandito si Pinkie pa, and ayan si Pa and Holly. During sports day yan ni Holly. And ayan si Mushi, and ayan yung kanyang isa pang friend. And meron dito si Holly cologne. And meron din siyang roll-on perfume. Ayan. And meron siya ditong popo. Kasi nagda-dry yung lips ni Holly. So lagi yan nandiyan kasi naglalagay siya paggabi. And pag dry, nandyan lang yan. And syempre kay kuya, ito yung side table niya. Ito, doon to sa kwarto. Kung saan na yung gaming room ni Zach. Ito ang pinalit niya dito. Kasi dito yung tatlo yun dito, diba? Or dalawa yung mahaba. Tapos, ito yung mga, ano ni kuya, awards. So, ayan yung sa US Kid Golf. Nandun pa yung iba sa labas. Kasi hindi naman kasya dito. And ayan yung generation ng footy. Ayan si dad, si kuya, si Zach, and si Jan. Tapos, mix dito kay kuya. Merong golf na trophy. And then, yung footy. And yung mga medals niya, syempre, andyan. Si Zach, hindi ko alam kung saan niya nilagay yung mga medals niya. Tinago niya ata. And eto, dinikit to dito ni kuya. Hindi ko na na-upload yung vlog na yun, guys, ata. Hindi ko alam. Yung nung nagbali kami, yung first time namin magbali, ayan. Nagganyan-ganyan kami ni kuya. Siya yung angkas ko dyan. May GoPro pa nga ako. Hindi ko na yung mahanap ng GoPro ko. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko siya nalagay. Oh. Alam ko, dinala ko siya sa PS, pero ewan ko nasaan na siya. Hindi ko rin siya nakita sa Pinas nung hinahanap ko. But yeah, at least nalinis ko na dito. Okay na. So, pag balik nila dito, ayan. Ready na ang room. And eto, masarap tong yakap-yakapin, guys. In fairness dito. So, yan. Tig-isa lang na pillow. Pero meron naman extra dyan. Pero, yan. Okay lang yan. And dito, ayan yung mga books ni Holly. And ayan yung bag ni Holly. Yung bag ni Zach, saka ni kuya, nilaban nila. Andun pa sa labas. Hindi pa nila kinukuha. Pero, yan yung kay Holly. Andyan pa yung vacuum, guys. So, yan yung kay Holly na mga books. Ayan. So, yan. Okay na. At least na ano ko siya ng bonggang dinis kasi wala sila dito sa bahay. Alam nyo yun. And thank you kay Sa kasi tinutulungan niya ako na tulad nun, yung mga sinampay. Diba? Si Saka nagsampay. Okay, so magtutupi na ako. At least natapos ko to. May reason talaga yung pag-uwi ko dito para matapos ko to. And ayan pala yung isang pillow. Nalagyan na natin siya ng pillowcase. And si Saka kanina naglaro dito. Dinala niya yung computer ni TJ dito. So yan. Okay, doon naman ako sa sala magtutupi.
In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.